Yes, 99.6 Radio AL-MARKAZ, AL-MARKAZ, wherever you are. Yes, we are back here at Bemci Cornering. This discussion, of course, with me and Isam. And yes, as I usually have that here in Bemci in this corner, since we have friends, I already invite them. Before we are going to talk about the topic for this afternoon, by even introduce, we would like to invite them to introduce themselves one by one to you guys up this wherever you are. Yes, but I say hello. Yes. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, hi. Please use this, guys. Hi. Use this. Hola. Hola, amigo. ¿Cómo estás? Yes. Okay. How is it going? How are you guys? Yeah, pretty, pretty good. Doing great. Yeah. So pretty, doing good, pretty well, pretty well, yes, and it's yeah. Yes, as I've been promised to podcast period, how can I say, what is your name? Yes, the green, is it the green? Tosca, yeah, no, green flag, yeah. Tosca, color, okay, please, just, yes, yes. Okay, so in English, I live in a maternity stream. I think in your academic guess time, in final guess. Okay, okay, continue. Just remember. Okay, continue. My activity is maybe it's the same like activity. Yeah, okay, for the moments. And Muhammad Karam Sharam. And don't forget to follow the service in YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Yeah. And there's so many activities. Yes. So what is your goal? What is your goal at Pepsi? Well, my question is yeah, I can handle the finance, financial, like one of Pepsi. Okay, welcome back. Yeah, this is your second time, right? This is your second time in Alcalpatas. Okay, welcome back. I'll back to you. Okay, next, please. What is your name? Is your name? Hello, guys. You can always ask if you can. Oh, okay. Wow, wow, wow. It's great. Oh, wow. Right. Interpreter, yeah. So, so if you want to this be, for example, I live in Sudan. I'm bringing to Tanzania. Okay, so what is your hobby? Yes. Painting, traveling, to see nature. I've been to Estonia. See nature. Yes. Okay, so what is your role at Babes? So, well, life activities when we see. So how do you think about Babes? Babes is a practice this because there are people that we can practice together. Even you like you still like basic English, so we can still communicate things with this one. So but practice English, yes, yes. Okay, thank you. But anyways, how about Makasini classes and you wearing glasses? Yeah, trio glasses. Yeah. Okay, thank you. I'll be back to you next. Next. Yes, please.
Okay, myself as AL-MARKAZ. My name is not Free, but you can call me Nufa. Okay, so so
Follow.
no,
Follow.
um, because yeah, my call in Bemci is a advisor. So guys, if you come to Bemci, you will be here my advice to all of you guys. Okay,
So what is your hobby?
my home is my
You- uh,
it's music.
Which team you barber? It's either.
So,
Spain. That's it.
for this final World Cup final, for this World Cup final, I will choose Spain.
Spain.
Spain, yeah.
That's why I say, Kumusta?
Basta.
Hola, hola, te amo. Okay, thank you. Okay, I will be giving a lot for us. Yes, before we are going to talking about our topic, I would like to check your spirit demands ABMC. All of you say more more confident, more impact. Okay, let me check. One, two, three. MC, more fun, more confident, more impact. Yes, giving applause. Yes, talk about our topic for this afternoon. This is also one of the topic. Uh, how to say like interesting topic and unique. And, you know, it's deserved to discuss it. Yeah, talking about the industry, especially for I mean, all of the African have like dominant in this music like a genre. And talking about Indonesia, Indonesia has like regional music genre and we cannot find it all. Yes, but when we're talking about the universal genre, of course, absolutely not music. But when we how to say compare with the region song or music in Indonesia, of course, we're talking about and that's why one the we will and that's why I was participating in some this afternoon is Tom versus Henry Champion. Giving applause. Yes. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Udah siap belum? Okay, come on. Yes, I start from, yeah. This is your the second. How do you feel? I said that's present in the music.
Alright, so the second chance has given to me. To here, I feel like very interesting because yeah, we know the topic is afternoon quite interesting. So it's talking about music and yeah, my hobby. Singing is the recently I said that I love to listen to music. So I think it's been fun to talk with you guys. We talk music, therapy, talk it's within it. So other than I like
Okay, so
this.
how do you think about this? Maybe so this time in this is in this this is so a lot of perspective this time is
I think it's very interesting because me myself personally, I love to listen to music. I love kind of all kind of thing. I listen to uh, downloads. And yeah, maybe you guys have heard about the music one, right?
so this is so this is an one issue.
Yeah, he's like it's very good. So this
So what about you? Yeah. So how what is your reaction when you know it's do you feel bad? Plot twist is you never thinking that that's right. This place is exists. Yeah, that's right. I think that's the first. Yeah. Because you're second home in the first time here, right? In Arizona, yeah, that's right.
but I feel like almost like 4 years ago, I was in my first semester when I was in University of University. And it's basically as well. And then I come up with it's a study mission. That's why so much. It's like I sent me the picture. Yeah, yeah. Like I even didn't know that it is a seven.
Amazing, yeah.
Amazing. Yeah. It's been amazing.
So you have to say you were like shocked,
Yeah, that's right.
but very happy.
Yeah, yeah, I'm very happy. I'm so excited.
You like you didn't say you happy. You simple. Okay, so what do you think about the topic itself? You know, mom versus
What person?
yes, yes.
Well, this topic is very unique because I mean, it's actually like common to talk in is
Because you know, frequently men talk about the scientific,
yeah, yeah,
they're talking about the politics, talking about the formal. So this is not the limits.
that's right.
Yes.
I mean, it's common in society, but on government topic,
Yes, yes.
that's what I mean. So I think that's interesting to talk right now. So let's see what will happen.
That's it. Okay, thank you. Give your statement. I'll back to you. Okay, next, push camera. So this is your the second time. So uh, how do you feel there to come here? Yeah, because my friends said to me, if you if you this, I see you. Oh, yeah. Like viral, viral. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Famous, but like Hexaya, but I'm saying in Bahasa. Observe them also not viral in his school. Yeah, me too, me too, me too. Because my friends often to watch on YouTube. Yeah, my my praise the parents for this. Yeah, I said that. Yeah, yeah. So like maybe like you feel like proud. Yeah, I mean like proud. Yeah. I'm proud myself. Okay, because this is the change about the speaking, yes, yes, public speaking skill, yes, most important, self motivation. Mm-hmm. Yeah, widely, and of course, and we have also like generation digital printing. Yeah, digital printing form. Yeah, yes, so that's is your feeling. So how about your your perspective about the topic itself? Because you know how friends say that this is a common thing, but the common thing in the topic. So I don't think about the topic itself. The topic is in yeah, because I like this lesson to music. Uh, but especially for me, not like mention. Maybe the next question. Okay, good for us. Thank you, Alan. Yes, I will about this whenever you are. Yeah, that's our frustration. Yeah, in this topic. Pop versus step. If you don't get any realization, because that's when really says. Yes, we are back, of course, in 99.6 Radio Marquez. I'm in Marquez, wherever you are. Yes, yes, yes. To the sea of blue, we continue. Yes, we conduct our discussions and talking about the pop versus religion. Yes, okay, I would like to check your screen. Yes, yes. Bemci! Hey! Oh my god! You Okay, okay, I'm sorry. Yes, I'm we are very sorry. Okay, one, two, three, Pepsi. More fun, more confidence, more impact. Yes, yes, talking. Moving back to the topic. Talking about empowerness. This is, I would like to, yeah, maybe you can do the same. Edit for this video because I'm going to send and, and I would like to talk about Raka is system is Bantai in Level Academy, and you are from Bantai. So the question is, do you know how do you think about this violence as a representative, lovely as a citizen Bantai? How do you think? And we're talking about it. When I first looked at it, and you just told me, like, you know, it's for Bantai, and I saw this. A lot of volunteers. Yes. I mean, I never seen anything about it, but I never seen that. I feel like really saying, but like, I'm so proud. I'm so proud. Yeah, it's because I never seen random academies, but especially my mental. So that's why I feel like, oh, but there's this person. Yes, but the fact is, like, can injure. He can also part. Yeah, he was, let's say, phone protection. Jimmy's. And I can play. And the message. Then you feel you. So maybe Ranga listen and watch how to say ito man video. Yes, please. Yeah. Bawa na mabantay. Okay, okay, uh, okay. This is Indian Mason. So, how do you think about the comparison? About the comparison? Well, I think credit is totally different. Sometimes my play what we enjoy, what we enjoy, and sometimes I listen to music. Yeah, because that's my play. Phrasing my mind. But you want to chilling. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But if I want to like I have to use that because that's make me. I thought everyone here can do the rhythm, maybe the rhythm, yeah, rhythm, yeah, the rhythm. Oh, yeah, I think so. Even like people for the first time hearing about listening about that, but maybe it's motivated. I don't know why. It's because when you pass your feet, your foot like this, right? Yeah, yeah, exactly. Even like this. But many people try. They say I don't like it. So how do you think of but person because this personal things like there's a person interest sometimes and sometimes not only but sometimes like because I think that is like really villager maybe sometimes you know say like sounds like villager yeah but I affect that yes not I love it I love especially Casablanca hey Casablanca I really love it Casablanca yeah a little bit there is element there's element inside because I still dance okay, thank you, St. Jude. Comparison. So I'm to London Academy money. Yeah. It's yeah. So right now nowadays there is a thing to choose high leadership of the mind. I mean like the icon. The icon versus the feeling. But the icon is into some is using only yeah. You know, Petra, Felicia, Tifu, Shira, yeah. It's okay, it's okay. How do you think about them? Especially me. I don't force you, but I choose Tifu. It's like, why Tifu? Because it's singing. It's but the Nifa is built to be into the three. She is omnipotent. Why did it's I hear she's sing, but it's okay. Elimination. So which one that you think is spin? But okay, back to my statement. Okay, I I still like to choose. Oh, like the genre, like the beginning. Why? Because this genre makes me up, relax, so that I could not enjoy it. To enjoy energetic, don't eat. Yeah, don't eat. Merakyat ya. Don't eat. So many. Yeah. Oh my God, sama persembahan suatu kita. Ini the atmosphere, no? Yeah. The atmosphere, the beat, the rhythm, the music. Yes, from the atmosphere, music, it's up. Yeah, like mood booster. Yeah, like mood booster. It's charging, charging. Yeah. Okay, thank you. How makes it? It's kind of very, very interesting. Okay, so what about you, also the glasses? So we were talking about the comparison. That's the comparison. There are two giant music okay, so listen, I feel like because I'm a listener because I'm not good at sing. I'm not good at so yeah, I think me personally, I think I which one is listen to? I listen to music. Listen to something. No. Something. Okay, ganito niya. They mean so clean. No, no, ganito niya. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'm a listener. I think for me, I listen to music depending on my voice, depending on what when I'm sad, I prefer to listen something sad. So, yeah. But sometimes I also hear from like what about some damay ah it is like damay damay yeah okay okay continue continue that's the art of the genre yeah yeah, continue continue oh.
Yeah, and yeah, both of them, pop and dangdut, they have big fans. Both of them.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people like pop. There's a lot of people like dangdut also. But yeah, I prefer to pop because in dangdut I just hear like maybe five or six song of dangdut because how to say like I'm picky, you know. Yeah, I really want to choose which one is make how to say like make a good connection with my
It's
vibes.
picky. It's very similar with
Mm-hmm.
Kika.
Pika.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you prefer pop
Pop,
because
yeah.
it's like pop is like intense for your
Yeah,
listening,
yeah.
yeah. But Bangladesh is only sometimes,
Yeah.
but pop is intense for your listening.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, yeah, still with us, of course, in 99.6, and the topic is pop versus dangdut genre. Yes. Okay, let me check your spirit, guys, once again. Yes. Whoopsie. More fun, more confidence, more impact. Yes. Yeah, talking about a culture, frequently, oftenly, our cultures is spread to abroad by music. Our Indonesian pop music, our dangdut Indonesian music. So, if if you have friends can singing well about those genre, and if you can singing well also, what will you do to create or promote this culture, especially in Indonesian pop and dangdut song to Bule maybe or abroad country? So I start from you. Yeah, as a dangdut mania. Well, do you get my question? Do you get the point?
Can you repeat about your
So
question?
if you have a talent, if you
Yeah.
have a like golden voice,
Especially for my friends, yeah.
yeah, yeah. If you have a golden voice, especially for those genre pop and dangdut, what will you do to give contribute to our country to promote to Bule or abroad country?
Yeah. For me, maybe I want to recommendation.
Mm-hmm.
I want to recommendation if I
How how do
yeah,
we how do we your recommendation? How do we?
close my friends. I want to recommendation about apply for
Accounting?
talent. No,
Talent.
no, talent show.
Talent show.
Yeah,
Uh,
talent show. Like so many talent show in Indonesia,
mhm,
right? Like ada icon, EMB,
mhm,
Indonesia Mencari Bakat.
mhm.
Yeah, especially for dangdut lah.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
it's
Dangdut
a good
Academy,
voice.
yeah,
Yeah,
KDI.
good voice. I
Mhm.
like. Yeah, you mentioned just now Rangga, Rangga too. Yeah,
Yeah,
Rangga.
there's like the YouTube
The
channel,
YouTube channel
the
too.
the
Yeah,
the,
so many
the station TV
famous for
channel.
via social media, especially for
Which one?
social media.
Via Fallon? You mean?
No, no, no.
Uh,
Via social
oh,
via social media.
okay.
Yeah,
Bye.
like
Yeah.
TikTok.
Uh,
Yeah, so many viral for you guys. If you make content too,
mm,
vlogger, yeah,
mm.
maybe
Don't you
you have to
teach?
get a money.
Don't you teach the Bule singing dangdut also?
Yeah,
You will.
course.
You will.
Because I want to promotion
Mhm,
Indonesia, especially for dangdut.
mhm,
Right, dangdut is a country.
mhm.
Yeah, it's my country.
Uh, but do you know which one, where the how to say, where the dangdut come from? I mean, like why we call dangdut? Do you know the story?
Oh, the story. Maybe start from India, maybe.
Why we call dangdut?
Oh,
Do you know
dangdut.
the why we call dangdut?
Dang.
Yeah, because I got information that why we call dangdut because the sound of
Yeah,
the
sound.
gendang.
Oh, gendang ya.
Deng dut deng dut
Dangdut.
deng dut
Oh, itu ya the history of
dang.
dangdut.
The call of the name, not the history.
The
Why we call
okay.
dangdut, but the history is very very long.
Yeah.
Yes, long
I think
time ago.
maybe the first dangdut is from India maybe.
Dangdut is acculturation between
Acculturation.
Arabic,
Yeah.
India, Malay,
Yeah,
and
Malay.
ethnic. So there are four.
Or
And also from European, like a pop music, jazz, rock, R&B, and something like that. And they how to say, they collaborate each other,
collaborate.
combine, and pure one music genre. That's why we call
Okay, okay.
dangdut, because dangdut is not actually dangdut is not original genre music, but dangdut is the combination in all of genre in all of the world, something like that. And that's why dangdut is very rich about the
It's
instrument, the
instrument, yeah.
sound, the lyrics, and etc. Something like
Yeah,
that.
maybe mix pop,
Yes.
like R&B.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
like
Calypso,
mix. But
jazz.
the pop genre, it's not mix. Yeah, it's different. It's
Yeah.
hard.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, pop dangdut, it's difficult.
But if
But
you
dangdut from to pop, it's
but if
easy.
you're starving, you can get pop. You know what I mean? If you're starving. Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you. I'll back to you. Okay, what about you, Sul? Okay.
Oh yeah.
So, what is your perspective about the existence of dangdut in our country? Do you believe that this dangdut will spread to all of the world, and why?
I really believe it. It's because the social media right now is
Mm-mm,
really strong.
mm-mm,
I mean, especially Indonesian
mm-mm,
society
mm-hmm,
really love to play in TikTok.
mm-hmm,
And then, for example, there is a FEP, FFYP.
mm-hmm. For your page?
Yeah, for your page, it's really easy to spread the word. For
Mhm.
example, Kicho Money also it's famous not only in Indonesia,
Yeah.
but also
You hand your
yeah,
nose
yeah.
and you like this.
I think yeah, that's right. I think all of the world know that, like
Uh,
Kicho Money, yeah, yeah. All of the world know it. It's because like social media. It's because like and Kicho Money. It's from Indonesia, isn't it?
Originally, actually not.
Oh,
There is like original, but the Kichumane itself come from Indonesia words.
okay,
But
okay,
the
okay.
instrument actually not. They are taken.
Okay, that's all. Yeah, but at least I think they make it as a dangdut, right, on TikTok. Yeah, and then they make it remix.
Yeah.
Yeah, remix with dangdut. Yeah,
Uh,
so that's why it could be famous easily.
mm-mm,
And I believe in the future, if the young generation always upload dangdut music
mm,
on social media, especially TikTok, because nowadays TikTok is really. I thought all of people use it in this world.
mm.
Like for example, people from Australia, people
Yes.
from uh China. I think yeah,
Yes. Yes.
they also have TikTok.
So this,
Mm.
so we're talking about dangdut. What about the pop? Like Indonesian Idol.
Yeah.
The Indonesian Idol is like how to say a lot of also idol in
Like Marion Jola.
yes,
Oh.
a lot of idol in abroad country like a Malaysian Idol, Australian
Mhm.
Idol, American Idol. So how do you see the different each idol in the world? Do you know that there is Arabian Idol,
Yeah, yeah,
Indian
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Idol? So how do you see with Indonesian Idol?
I think the characteristic
Mm,
of each idol have different things.
mhm.
For example, sometimes I saw the Indonesian idol also like really strong with dangdut, right?
Really?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Uh-huh.
yeah. So
Like the special segment,
yeah,
only
yeah, yeah.
special segment.
Yeah, yeah, only
Yes, yes,
special
yeah,
segment.
yeah.
So
Mhm,
that's why for example, if there is a full permits in Indonesia, they will spread the dangdut song.
mm,
Yeah, especially they make a party in abroad.
mhm,
Yeah, they will make that party and the
mm,
song is dangdut.
mm.
Yeah, that's what
Like
I think.
diaspora, yeah?
Yeah, yeah, that's right.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
But that they make as a dangdut.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
The people who spread in all of the world, we call diaspora.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, yeah.
yes,
Diaspora. We call
yeah,
diaspora.
diaspora.
Like
Yeah,
me when I go there.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Diaspora.
You are ex diaspora.
Yeah, ex
That's why you are not diaspora.
here now.
Yes, yeah. Diaspora, yeah, diaspora. It's just not kidding.
Yeah, we call it diaspora people outside.
Yeah,
From
yeah.
yeah.
But the fungi also we can say spora.
Spora.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
spora.
What is pungi?
Jamur.
Yeah.
The reproductive spora.
Okay.
Yeah, something like that. Okay. So you, what about you? You maybe you, which one? Which one? You? Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. So how do you think about the pop genre music, in especially in East Indonesia? So how do you think about the pop music in East Indonesia?
I think it's become like there are some people want to make it combine, combine the genre of the music. sometimes the people in East Indonesia they have a good characteristic from their voice, you know.
And they
Mm.
prefer pop
Yeah.
than dangdut,
Uh-huh,
right?
uh-huh, yeah,
In
yeah.
East Indonesia.
Yeah, we totally agree with that
Mm,
because, yeah, as I said before, the characteristic of the voice from
mm.
the people from
But
East Indonesia is very good.
but why dangdut is not massive in
Mhm.
East Indonesia?
Oh, in East Indonesia, now we call it like hipdut. Yeah, most of them want to hear a dangdut in a different way.
Mm.
So maybe yeah they create and they combine another genre with
Like
the dangdut.
sakit
Yeah, yeah, that's true.
like
Yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mm,
So they make a new genre,
mm,
and they add dangdut in that rhythm in that song. So it's just yeah same like Kazul here said before. It can easily spread in social media,
mhm.
and yeah, most of people in Indonesia, or maybe like half
Mm.
people in Indonesia really like the hipdut as a new genre of music.
So sometimes there are two big, there are two giant music genre. How to say? Not delivered, but melaksanakan ya, melaksanakan competition, something like that. And one and both them are competitor. Okay. And of course, they like uh, make a race, balap-balapan, especially for share rate, rating sharing. So like sometimes in another side there is Indonesian, and the same times there is a Dangdut Academy. So this is very interesting because of course fan base, it will be split, something like that, and they are very competitive to get the appreciation of the audience from the TV. So how do you think about this phenomena berbalap-balapan ngambil hati pemirsa? So
Okay.
what about your perspective about it?
In my perspective about the competition, both of them they have uh, a really good competition, right? They have their selection, they have their audition also.
Mm.
So it means like it's how to say it's clearly professional in a professional way. In Idol maybe Indonesian Idol, and also in which way this is Dangdut Academy.
Mm, mm,
Uh, they have their how to say pesertanya tuh.
mm,
Uh, they have a really good performance, and also here
mm.
I think the share rating I think is how to say
Beda tipis.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I think it's just like that.
Mhm.
So because there's a most of people really like to pop music, and also in another way they have
I still
like to
remember that.
dangdut.
I still remember that Academy Fantasy Indosiar,
Mhm.
the share rate until now unbeatable
Unbeatable. Wow.
because 50% our society in Indonesia, yeah,
Mhm.
watching Afi
Oh yeah,
at
okay, okay.
the
Yeah.
grand
Mhm,
final,
mhm.
and until now belum ada yang bisa kalahin.
Wow.
You can imagine 50% our society in Indonesia from
Wow.
Sabang until Merauke watch that program in grand final
But
session.
at the same time, is there any competition at the
There
time?
is, there is.
Wow.
Especially for the grand final of AFI
Mhm.
2.
Yeah.
Unbeatable until now. Until
Wow.
now. Until now. Yes. Tia
Yeah,
AFI.
yeah, Tia.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know so well.
So I move to you. So how so how do you think about the share of TV? Sometimes the Cinetron, Cinema Electronic, it's like higher, but suddenly when Danut is Academy is coming, oh my God, everything is amblas.
Yeah.
And Danut Academy is bertengger, how to say in English, bertengger in the top one. So how do you think about that phenomena? Is another program TV have to like
pursue ya, mengejar, mengejar.
Mm.
Kayak
Or
wah.
bunuh diri.
So,
just 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 like the safe how to say position, ambil amannya saja atau
yeah,
harus
safety.
mengejar. Yeah, how do you think about it?
Yeah, maybe this is a fluctuative. Yeah,
Like currency ya,
yeah,
rupiah.
currency.
So, 17.000 ya 17.
Maybe this all of the program
Hmm.
to get pursue about this rate
Hmm.
rating, but this is this is the widely effect about
Sorry, Fadli.
widely
I
for
think
us,
Fadli
yeah,
again.
about the viewers, especially for the viewers.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, why? Because there is a branding for programs.
Mhm.
Yeah, if you like for application TikTok, FYP, your programs, yeah, your get benefits, especially for the viewers, actually. And yeah, you have to know about this. Your program, it's complicated for society, for the general, especially for human. You have to
Not
know.
robot, yeah.
Yeah,
Not robot, yes.
you have to know about for needs about the society, especially for the society.
Mhm.
Nah, this is a branding. Maybe if you get higher,
Oh yeah.
your
Amazing.
yeah, rating,
Oh, yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
viral key, viral. Yeah, you have get a point for another program.
Which point you means virtual gift?
Yeah, virtual gift, dia virtual gift 5 million rupiah.
Uh-huh.
Ya, satu kali
Uh.
mendukung 5 juta.
Yes.
That's yeah, like Fanny France to send it. Fanny
Mantap.
France, you know Fanny France, Fanny
Mantap.
France. Fanny France, owner of skincare.
Yes.
Yeah, Crazy Rich, like her.
Mhm.
And Raffi Ahmad too,
Mhm.
about Tasha. Yeah, Tasha send the Sultan.
Tasha is libur. Telah
Tasha, yes. XX Dangdut Academy 7.
I think libur. Tasha, yeah.
Yeah, you have to feel about your brand program, about your program, because if you hire a rate,
Mhm.
yeah, this is the effect your branding about your programs for the next year.
So this is very thick. Tight. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ketat ya, ketat banget ya.
Begitu memang persaingan.
Okay, giving a plus. Giving a plus.
Competitor.
Yes, talking about the music genre, both those are giant, yeah, especially in Indonesia, Nusantara, and also sometimes our neighbor like Malay, Singapore, Brunei, Philippines. Also, they listen Indonesian music. Yes, they listen pop, dangdut, sibling. Yeah, 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 sibling because we are sibling. Yeah, yeah. So, talking about this genre, what is your expectation someday about pop and dangdut music? Because you know our chart, our how to say our achievement rating nowadays, yeah, Gen Z millennial listener or yeah listener of Indonesian music, they prefer now listen Indonesian music
Oh yeah.
than West song.
Yeah, was.
Yeah, this yeah. So how do you think about it? About the perubahan perilaku? I thought this really good things because that music, I mean our original music, special dangdut, will exist in the future. I mean, will never disappear. Yeah, yeah. So it would be like every generation. For example, there's new generation again. They only still continue what disappear with close with Britney Spears. Britney Spears. Continue, continue.
Yeah, so I think that's the good thing. So especially nowadays, the social media. So what you watch that would be appear in your
Appear.
FYP.
Appear.
Yeah, for example, now yeah, because young generation love hear like remix music. Like for example, they upload the picture and then they put
Jedak jeduk.
yeah, JJ music, and then the music, of course, they're remixed with dandut.
Mm.
Yeah, sometimes I heard that they mix it with dandut, so that's why it's really good to hear.
Mhm.
I don't know, maybe some people also don't like it, but most people like it because when we upload something in TikTok,
Mm.
I mean, it's automatically TikTok will choose your song.
Mm.
Yeah, that's what.
The algorithm, yeah.
Yeah, algorithm. And for example, even you don't choose the song,
Mhm.
but TikTok already know what song do you like, so it's automatically from TikTok choose the song for you.
Mm.
So that's I mean these really good things for our young generation and also next generation.
You say
Maybe.
choose, yeah.
Yeah,
You say choose. Alam say choose. Okay, what about you, Alam? So Alam, how do you think about the segmentation? The Indonesian people prefer listen Indonesian music that West music.
West.
Yes. How do you think about it right now?
Okay. Yeah.
Do you feel sad or proud or biasa aja or what?
Maybe you have to appreciate about this outdoor create about Indonesia
Mhm.
makes Indonesia
Mhm.
because yeah, it's hard about make it outdoor karya sebuah karya.
Mhm.
Yeah, you have to appreciate it, guys. Yeah, I think I know you feel like I like listen Western music, but
Mhm.
you don't forget about this song about Indonesian.
Mhm.
But you
Don't
was
live,
born
yeah.
for domestic. Yeah,
Mm.
you have to appreciate because
Like our
yeah,
like
because
the
it's
tickets.
difficult make it.
Mhm.
Yeah, but you have to like shape your sweater,
Mhm.
berkeringat meki buat ini suatu karya. But yeah, but appreciate it.
Mm.
Yeah, please guys, come on. Yeah, come on, appreciate it lah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, thank you.
I know how you feel,
Mhm.
but yeah, you have to proud there
Okay, so
in Indonesia.
thank you. So what about you? How do you think about it?
Okay. Yeah, I feel my expectation, right? My expectation. I hopefully I can see in the future like the next Agnismo.
Mhm.
Hopefully I can also see in the
next
future
Judika?
the next Roma Irama
Yeah.
in Dangdut. King of Dangdut, yeah. Hopefully
The next
both of
Hadat Alwi?
really,
Yeah.
Ji? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, the Queen. Yeah, Elvi Sukaisi. Yeah. Hopefully in the future, our young generation they can not just as a singer
Yes.
because hopefully in Indonesia people like some of the artists
Yes.
not just like to sing like just as a singer, but hopefully all of us the young generation can produce the music itself. Yeah, we already have the example like Hipdut. We created Indonesian people create Hipdut,
Mm.
and yeah, hopefully in the future there's a lot of people can create their like Alam said before.
Mm.
We have to appreciate
You know Alam?
nature.
Badukan. Pete. Pete. Pete Vera. Pete Vera brother. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Mm-mm. Okay, so what about you? Yeah, sorry, before we continue our conversation, maybe guys, you can prepare yourself to mention maybe idioms, maybe unfamiliar words, wise word, final words, and etc. So I'm going to you, Sul. Yes, what is your conclusion about our topic for this afternoon?
Yeah, well, my conclusion about this topic,
More funny?
it's funny actually. Because what I say in my first statement is a unique topic in our discussion.
Mm-hmm.
Because I never do discussion like this. I mean, pop and dude, yeah,
Yeah.
and then dude. I mean, sometimes only academic, but it's really
Mm.
out of the box.
Yeah, yeah. Sometimes styles too, but I can think.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, hopefully from this discussion, we still can. I mean, make that music exist, especially
Yes.
Danut, because Danut is our originally music from Indonesia.
Like P
So
Project, yeah?
yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, guys.
Yeah, so, what about you? What is your conclusion about our topic for today?
Yeah, just the same what I said recently that hopefully we can not just being a singer, not just to compete with another
Singer, yeah?
people.
Singer.
Mm. Yeah, not just to compete with another people in some audition, but yeah, you have to create your own
Mhm.
song. Maybe yeah, you have to purchase that, and yeah, hopefully in the future in our young generation they can
So
make
after
it
this, you
feel.
create yourself.
Yeah. Hopefully, let's see. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I think that's all.
Okay. Yes. Okay. 3 minutes left. Okay. What about you? Oh, so what is your conclusion about our topic for this afternoon by evening?
Okay.
Three,
Um,
2, 1,
yeah.
go.
I think I think every humans it's different gift talent, but do you have a talent especially for music? Please apply register about competition talents. Yeah, competition talent in make make your change about family situation, right? Yeah, in bahasa mengangkat derajat, mengangkat derajat, or especially for your parents,
Social state, yeah.
your province, especially for your province.
It's a representative, yeah.
Yeah, representative. Like,
Like-
you know, Lesti,
Huh?
Lesti,
Lesti,
yeah,
yes.
Lesti. It's poor, yeah. This the environment, yeah, situation. But yeah, this mother is
For land, yeah.
noodle foods.
Uh-huh.
Yes, noodle food seller in at school.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but your father accompany Lesti
Mm-hmm.
on the stage. On the
Mhm.
stage, actually.
And also you
Yeah.
follow?
Huh?
You follow?
I know the song. It's Kejora. Yeah, the song title is Kejora.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's singing Kejora, please.
Kejora. Yeah, something like that. If you get a talent, especially for music, please apply. So many competition in Indonesia.
So many opportunities.
Opportunity, yeah.
So many audition.
Audition, yeah.
Casting.
Casting,
Yeah,
yeah.
like
It's not
drama.
it's not like civil servant lah, tidak harus you have to change your mindset lah, mindset.
It's not only civil servant.
So only civil servant, yeah, you're get a career. Not so many opportunity.
Mhm.
You have get a career.
Mhm. So you will be ready with the S9.
But my just now.
Udah siap belum? Okay, thank you. I'm giving applause for us. Okay, final. Okay. I would like to check your spirit, guys. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Bemci,
More fun,
more
confidence,
more event. Yay! Giving applause. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you, Alam, yeah, for coming. Bemci English Corner. Thank you, Sul, yeah, Jojo from Bantay, yeah. Thank you, Noval. Yeah, of course, this is your second time. Thank you, guys. And of course, we hope see you again in next session and next opportunity. Yes, sahabat Markas, wherever you are, of course, that's all, yeah, our conversation or discussion about the topic. And the topic is pop versus dangdut genre. And I think you can get many information, get insight about those genre. I think that's all for this afternoon. By evening, always watching and listen Radio Almarkas in 99.6 and also in YouTube channel, especially in our program, MC Corner English Discussion, every Friday at 4 until 5 p.m. See you for the next week. Bye bye.